Hello YouTube, back again with another video, and today in this video we're going to do a Google Form tutorial at the beginner's level. So in this brief introduction, we're going to teach you what is Google Forms, what you'll learn, and then we'll go into the demonstration. Google Forms was created back in 2008. Google Forms is a survey and administrative software and is mainly used to create forms and surveys and quizzes as well. It can be used for Facebook, emails, and websites, and you will get real-time results on any device. And it's free to use as long as you have a Google account. And what you'll learn in this beginner level tutorial is creating a title, descriptions, questions, types of forms, required questions, how to add images and videos, color palettes and themes, responses, settings, and how to send forms. And with that being said, let's get started. Alright, now that you've created your Google account and now you have access to your Google Drive, the first thing you got to do is now create our very first Google Forms. And in order to do that, if you see underneath the Google Drive logo over here, click on New, and then you'll then see Google Forms, and then you'll click on the right arrow here, and you have three options: from blank forms, blank quizzes, or from a template. We're going to pick blank forms, but before we do that, we're going to look at some of the templates here. And once you get on this page, you're going to notice that there's three subcategories, and one of them is personal, where you can choose from contact information to party invite to event registration, etc. Or if you need one for work, whether it be an event feedback or order form or job application, you have those choices here for any of them for work. And lastly, you got education, whether that be exit ticket or an assessment, worksheet, etc. And with that being said, we'll now go to the blank document and get started on making our first Google form. Now that you have your blank form in front of you, first thing that we're going to do is create a title. So you'll see here with untitled form, we're going to change this and name it My First Form. And then also below you'll see that we have a description, and we'll just add this is my first Google form. Now next, here we're gonna go and create our question. Actually, before we do that, we're gonna go and click up here just to name our title, our form, My First Form. Now here, we're gonna click on question, and then we're gonna click here and choose a question that we should pick. And let's do, what is your favorite fruit? Sorry. Now we have different ways of picking the format that we want to do our form. So you have short answers. So if you have paragraphs, so we'll give long answer in text form, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, linear scale, multiple choice grid, check boxes, checkbox grid, dates, and time. And for this, we will use a multiple choice for the moment. And I would recommend to have at least 3 to 4 options. So we're going to pick option 1. We'll put strawberries. Now if you want to create another one, you click on add options or add other. We'll click on add options. So option 2 will be kiwis. We'll add another one, blackberries, or blueberries, sorry. And then to add others, we'll have others here as the other requirement. Now also we have either you can make this question non-required or a required question. So it would be mandatory to answer this question. And then after, if you want to add another question, you'll click on add question right here. And if you want to also add an image, which we'll do right now, you click on add images. And then you have the option to upload, webcam, URL, photo, Google Drive, or Google Image. And we'll do a Google Image, and we'll put in a fruit bowl just to see if we can find one that has all the fruits that we have, or fruit salad, sorry, that we would want to have displayed in our form. And if we look here, we have an image here that displays the strawberries, kiwis, blueberries, and other fruits as well. And then we can also title the image as well too. So we'll just call it fruit salad. Yummy, yummy. Now next what we will do is that we will try on the top, we can customize the theme if it looks, because it looks pretty bland at the moment. And so right here, you'll be able to see that we can have different text styles. So for the header, we can change the size of the font to be either big from 18 to 24. And then we can also change the text as well too. So we could put this as, and then you have the title here. Now for question, it's the same thing you can do also for the question. Then you'll have the text changed as well for the question, and we can also make the font a little bit bigger. And then same thing can also be done to the multiple choice here, where you can also change the font as well, and then change the size of the text as well too. And if you go scroll down, you can you can choose an image for your header, and then we can have a bunch of options to select here. Food and dining. So we have, well, we can pick one here, since this was a pretty good representation, since the theme is fruits after all. And then you'll have a header up here, and then you can also change the color as well. And then you can even add your own custom color if you want to, and then pick a color. And for the background, it will choose whatever color you choose. Let's say we pick this color. This looks red. It gives you either a light red color, a medium red color, a dark color, or you can just pick gray. So we'll leave it. I'll put a medium red at the moment. And then next, what we're gonna do is we'll go back, and then we'll click on preview of the form. And then now we'll be able to show this is our first form. And then what's your favorite fruit? I'll pick strawberries. And then after, you have the option to submit or to clear form. Then we're going to click submit. And then it will say that your response has been recorded. Now we're going to go back. And then we're going to go click on sent. And then you have the option to either send this to the people via email, via a link, and then you'll be able to copy it and paste, or you can embed it onto a website, and then you just need this source code, iframe source, and then be able to copy it and put it on your website. And you can also share it via Facebook or Twitter as well too. We'll go back here. And lastly, what we're going to show you is how to get the response. So right here, you're going to have what's your favorite fruits, and then you have strawberries here. And then that's like the response that I gave. And then, so you can collect the data. And then you have also what the question is. Then individuals, will show what the individual chose. And then after, you have the settings as well too, where you can change it to make it, if you want to make this quiz, or responses, how you will manage responses are collected and protected, the presentation, how the forms of responses are present, and then you also have other settings as well too. And with that being said, thank you for watching.